Welcome to Consumer Flix, your hub for the best tech reviews and recommendations. Helicopter dashing away today, we're diving into the top 5 racing drones for speed enthusiasts in 2025, featuring lightning-fast designs, agile performance, and cutting-edge features. If you love the thrill of high-speed drone racing, this list is just for you. Let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest drone reviews and expert tips. Number 5 EMAX Tiny Hawk 2. The EMAX Tiny Hawk 2 is a compact and beginner-friendly FPV, first-person view, drone designed for indoor and outdoor racing. It features a durable frame with a lightweight design, making it highly agile and resistant to crashes. Equipped with a Runcam Nano 2 camera, the Tiny Hawk 2 delivers clear and vibrant video feeds, ideal for immersive FPV experiences. The drone supports multiple flight modes, including level, horizon, and acro, catering to pilots of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced racers. Its efficient brushless motors provide smooth and responsive flight, with a top speed of up to 50 miles per hour. The Tiny Hawk 2 includes a durable 1S/2S battery system, offering flexibility and extended flight times. Perfect for those looking to dive into the FPV racing world, the EMAX Tiny Hawk 2 delivers a high-performance, fun, and accessible flying experience. The EMAX Tiny Hawk 2 also features an upgraded video transmission system with 200 mW VTX power, providing a stronger and more stable signal for enhanced range and clarity. Its redesigned frame improves durability and cooling, ensuring optimal performance during intense flights. The drone is compatible with various FPV goggles and transmitters, allowing pilots to customize their setup for a tailored flying experience. Its LED lighting adds a sleek aesthetic and improves visibility during night or low-light flights. Combining advanced features, robust design, and user-friendly controls, the Tiny Hawk 2 is a fantastic choice for both newcomers and seasoned FPV enthusiasts looking for a reliable microdrone. The EMAX Tiny Hawk 2's modular design makes it easy to repair and upgrade, ensuring long-term usability and performance. Number 4 iFlight Nazgul 5V2. The iFlight Nazgul 5V2 is a robust and high-performance FPV drone designed for freestyle and racing enthusiasts. Built with a durable carbon fiber frame, it's engineered to endure the demands of aggressive flying and high-speed maneuvers. Equipped with powerful Xingyi Pro 2207 motors and a BL Helios ESC, it delivers smooth, responsive control with impressive thrust and stability. The drone features a CADX Radal 2 FPV camera, offering crystal-clear video and excellent low-light performance, ensuring an immersive flying experience. Pre-tuned by iFlight, the Nazgul 5V2 is ready to fly out of the box, making it user-friendly for both intermediate and advanced pilots. Supporting 4S and 6S LiPo batteries, it provides flexibility and extended flight capabilities. With its high-quality components, reliable performance, and sleek design, the Nazgul 5V2 is a top choice for FPV pilots seeking adrenaline-fueled aerial adventures. Number 3 DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a compact, lightweight drone designed for beginners and casual users seeking a fun and intuitive flying experience. Equipped with a high-definition camera, it captures clear photos and videos, perfect for everyday aerial photography and social media sharing. The drone features intelligent flight modes such as auto hover, follow me, and waypoint navigation, making it easy to operate even for first-time pilots. With its stable flight control system and built-in obstacle sensors, the DJI Neo ensures a smooth and safe flying experience. Its portable design and quick setup make it ideal for travel, allowing users to capture moments from unique perspectives effortlessly. Combining user-friendly controls with reliable performance, the DJI Neo is a great entry-level option for those exploring the world of drones. The DJI Neo is an innovative, compact drone designed for seamless operation and exceptional aerial performance. It features a high-quality camera capable of capturing stunning 4K video and crisp photos, making it perfect for both casual users and aspiring creators. With advanced GPS functionality and intelligent flight modes like follow me and gesture control, the Neo offers effortless piloting and creative shooting options. Its extended flight time and robust build ensure reliability, while enhanced obstacle avoidance technology provides safe navigation even in challenging environments. Lightweight and portable, the DJI Neo is an ideal companion for on-the-go aerial exploration and content creation. Number 2. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is the next-generation FPV, first-person view, drone, designed to offer an unparalleled immersive flying experience with enhanced features and performance. Building on its predecessor, the Avata 2 comes equipped with an upgraded 4K camera and a cutting-edge stabilization system, ensuring ultra-smooth and cinematic footage even during high-speed maneuvers. Its lightweight, durable frame and propeller guards make it suitable for indoor and outdoor flights, catering to both novice and experienced pilots. The drone features advanced obstacle avoidance technology and precise control for safer and more confident flying. With an extended flight time and improved transmission range through the O4 transmission system, it delivers reliable connectivity and uninterrupted visuals. Additionally, intuitive flight modes and compatibility with DJI goggles and motion controllers provide a fully immersive and dynamic flying experience. Compact and robust, the DJI Avata 2 is the perfect tool for FPV enthusiasts and creators aiming to push the boundaries of aerial exploration and storytelling. Number 1. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is an ultra-compact yet powerful drone designed for beginner and intermediate users seeking high-quality aerial photography and videography. Featuring a 4K UHD camera with a Sony sensor, it delivers crisp, vibrant images and smooth video, making it perfect for capturing stunning landscapes and memorable moments. Its lightweight design, weighing just 249 grams, ensures compliance with drone regulations in many regions, while its foldable frame enhances portability for travel enthusiasts. The Atom SE boasts advanced GPS functionality and intelligent flight modes, such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Mode, offering creative shooting options and hands-free operation. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes and a strong brushless motor system, it ensures stable and extended flight performance. The drone also features precise positioning and return to home, RTH, for added safety, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial adventures. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter dashing away. Which racing drone from our list would you take to the track? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-speed reviews and tech tips. See you in the next video.